Hi, I'm Lango, and this is Investor Plays Quick Picks, where we communicate to you some of the market's best investment ideas in just 10 minutes.
America's leading innovation investor, Luke Lango's Investor Plays Quick Picks.
So, as you can see, we're still here in San Francisco shooting that promo video. If you would like more details on that product, please click the link in the description. But for now, let's dive right into today's pick, which is a brand new e-commerce technology company that I think has enormous upside potential. The name, Poshmark, ticker POSH. Now, some of you may have heard of Poshmark before. Some of you may have even used the platform before. Long story short, the company operates an online social commerce platform that looks like Facebook meets eBay. It's basically a digital marketplace where anyone can sell anything, anyone can buy anything, and everyone can engage and interact with each other and different products through comments, likes, shares, posts, stories, etc. The company went public back in mid-January at a $42 price tag for an equivalent valuation of about $3.1 billion. Wall Street fell in love instantly. The stock surged 150% on its first day of trading to over $100. Then, amid the growth sector meltdown over the past few months, Wall Street fell out of love, and Poshmark stock has dropped below its IPO price. It's time think about buying the dip. Why? Because in the big picture, Poshmark is creating the future of shopping. Here's a deeper look. Here's the thing about Poshmark. It's a social-driven commerce platform, and most of us love to be social. But online shopping, for all its wonderful price, convenience, and access benefits, is not social. It's isolated. Poshmark is capitalizing on the shortcoming of e-commerce by merging social with shopping. This is a big deal because it caters to sellers. By merging social with shopping, Poshmark is creating a platform with a ton of highly engaged potential buyers. Poshmark has 32 million users who spend almost 30 minutes per day on the platform. Compare that to Amazon, where the average time spent per visit is just 7 minutes. Now, some of you might be saying, well, e-commerce is meant to be quick. Get in, get out. Why is spending 30 minutes on a site, on a shopping site, a good thing? Well, the answer is simple. Because engagement is value. The more engaged a potential buyer is, the more likely he or she is to discover a new product he or she wouldn't have otherwise discovered. And more importantly, the more likely he or she is to buy that new product. Engagement is value. Let's look at this from a seller's perspective. As a seller, you could either A, sell on Amazon or Shopify, where everything is transactional and you have to rely on marketing dollars, SEO gimmicks, and product reviews to drive sales, or B, sell on Poshmark, where everything is so much more than transactional. And you can rely on creating communities, engaging with users, and being social to drive sales and drum up consumer loyalty. The choice is fairly obvious. You're gonna sell on Poshmark. It gives you a better chance at long-term success than Amazon or Shopify. Sure, you pay a higher fee for that, but for most folks, that higher fee is worth it. In my mind, Poshmark is following the Shopify playbook to huge gains. 1, build a platform and set of tools that help sellers sell their stuff online better than anywhere else. 2, have those sellers flood your platform with a bunch of inventory. 3, let that inventory attract a ton of demand. 4, let that demand attract more sellers, creating a virtuous growth cycle. Shopify leveraged this virtuous growth cycle to create a $140 billion e-commerce technology empire. Poshmark could do the same, and it's only worth $3 billion today. So if you missed out on Shopify, don't worry. Maybe it's time to take a bet on the next Shopify with Poshmark stock. Well, that's all we have for this edition of Investor Plays Quick Picks. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, smash the like button, or if you're interested in the product that I talked about earlier, Daily 10X Stock Report, check the link in the bio. Until next time, cheers and happy investing to all.